All right, welcome to the Woodshed. Tonight we're doing street tacos. If you like the episode, please like and subscribe. Thank you. All right, for this recipe, we're going to start off with a little beef tenderloin from H-E-B, some Julio's all-purpose seasoning, and some lime pepper. That's a new thing. We'll see how that works. And of course, we have our cilantro. Hiding behind there, we have some onion. And here's my smoking hot wife, Cher, having a cigar. Say hi, Cher.
Hi, Cher.
Say hi, Cher.
Hi, Cher.
All right, bye.